everybody, I'm gonna go into the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna check out to see if they have any fall and Halloween stuff. So let's get to it. I walk in, I have these tombstones for $1. I have these glitter pumpkins that light up and these skulls for $1. I have the solar lights. We have some glow sticks and some trick-or-treat bags. There's some decorations and garland. And they have the buckets down here as well. They have the little skull fences here. And here's some more of the decor. And the pumpkins, and then we have the skeletons, and looks like little pumpkin heads and witches. So those are different. I didn't see them at the last store. More of the tombstones. Some of the glassware they have here. They have the kitchen stuff. These cool little hands. So it looks like they're 2-piece tongs for parties. So it's pretty cool. This is for your pet. It's little bat wings. And we have some of the spider baskets, the coloring books, and little party bags. We have these cute little basket or little containers. Probably grab one of them to make a candy bouquet. And then they have these fun little signs down here. I like these little jack-o'-lanterns. I have one of these spiders already. And these skulls are pretty cool. And then they have the drinkware with the hands. Super cool. Look at this one. And shake it up. It's pretty different. We have the candy, different candy items, the Sour Patch Kids. They have some cotton candy. They have a candy corn. They have these little bats. They got candy inside. And these sugar skulls. We got this spiderweb cotton candy. Oh, dropped it. Krabby Patties, got Airheads and Skittles. They have these skeletons that I have that I made in my previous video. Some more garland. They have these cute little tins. These are games. The wooden signs, you can make bleach shirts or just paint them. And some more bowls for party decor. And stuff for crafting. Some socks. So they're still putting stuff out. Here's some of the fall decor that they have now for the glasses, bowls, and plates. Looks like all the fall stuff. So you have stuff to paint. You have the little scarecrows, the bigger ones. You have the molds for baking, and the little wooden containers. You have these different colored pumpkins. They have the bigger ones that have the flowers. These are fun for decorating. Cookie cutters. And some more ribbon. And then they have all the floral for fall and football decor. They also have a great selection of Halloween cards that are 2 for $1. So you can get anybody that you want a card here, and they have such good quality. I wanted to quickly show you what I grabbed in there because I had to throw it in my bag. So I got some floral, got this cool glass I'm gonna make a cross with, got the webbed baskets, I got some of the Reese's and the candy bracelet bones. I got some eyeballs. I got the tongs, the little hand tongs, because I thought they were so cool for a party. Serving dishes. I hope you liked my video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great night.